welcome back to my channel. I'm getting married. Just kidding, I'm not getting married. I'm Sonia and today's video is going to be a drugstore bridal makeup tutorial. This is going to be perfect for the bride-to-be, anybody in the bridal party, or anybody attending the wedding. This is also a very versatile look, so you can use this at any time of the year. If you're just trying to look fly for yourself, girl, this is gonna work, okay? You don't have to look like a bride, you don't have to wear a veil or get crazy or wear a ponytail or wear yoga pants. It's fine. This look is going to be something that you can wear to any special occasion. You don't have to be getting married, girl, because I know I'm still waiting for my ring too, okay? Do whatever you want. You can wear this to wherever you want. You can wear this just to take pictures for the gram, okay? So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is moisturize your face, and I used a product from L'Oreal Paris. This is their Age Perfect Cell Renewal Rosy Tone Cream. It smells amazing, it's super hydrating, and it's perfect for these really special occasions and everyday use. This is supposed to make your skin look a lot better, a lot younger. I mean, it says age perfect, girl. I'm about to put this all over my body. Next, I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and today I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 310 Sun Beige. I'm gonna go ahead and just use a little bit of that on the back of my hand using a moist sponge, and I'm just gonna go ahead and bounce that right onto my skin. The color's actually really nice. It is a full coverage foundation, so it's going to cover up any of your dark spots, any imperfections, acne scars, and what have you. And I know the day that I get married, I'm going to be full coveraging the whole shebang. Everything's getting touched. Next up, I'm going to be using a concealer from Maybelline New York. This is number 20 Sand, and I'm just going to place that right on the inner tear duct, not too much, and just place that in almost like a little triangle, and then also on my chin to even that out, a little bit on my nose, and also on the center part of my forehead. Then you want to blend that all out using that same sponge, and this is just going to brighten up parts of your face and really make your face stand out. Next up, oh my gosh, this is gonna look like such a total Maybelline video, but it's not. Master Contour by Face Studio, and this is in the shade medium. It has two sides to it. It has like the lighter side for the highlight, which we've already, did, and the other side is the dark part, which is going to be for the contour. Now what you're supposed to do is drag it along the lines and then blend this one up, the light one up and the dark one down. But I honestly like to use just the dark side and mark that and mark it going up. So if you have space here, you're gonna want to contour that as well. But for me, I'm gonna put just a little bit of color here at the top of my forehead. Nothing too crazy because like I said, my forehead's tiny. And I am just going to just go on the very sides of the tip of my nose, and this already changes the shape so much. Next, you're going to go ahead and either use your finger or a sponge or a brush. In my case, I like to use this little contour brush that I found from Sigma. It's super dirty. Sorry about that. So I'm just gonna go ahead with a light hand and blend that all out. Now I had some time to warm up on my face, and it actually blends so quickly. So you don't have to tug and pull at your face. And it's like a really nice shade. It's gonna start to slim things down without looking crazy. Now for my nose, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a really light hand. Almost put your fingers at the back of the brush and just, hit it very quickly. This is going to blend all that up and make your nose appear a lot smaller and slimmer. And if you got a double chin, girl, you need to attack that double chin with whatever you have left on your brush. Now I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows, and the product that I'm using today is going to, the product I'm using today is from L'Oreal Paris. This is the Brow Stylist Definer in the shade Brunette. I'm going to be using one of my favorite bronzers. This one is from L'Oreal Paris. This is their Glam Bronze Powder, and it's huge. I mean, it's as big as my face. I'm just going to use a big powder brush and go ahead and pack that right on the outsides of my contour. I'm not going to bring it too close in because I don't want my face to look dirty. When you're using bronzer, it can get really wild fast, so you want to make sure that you use a really light, soft hand and really concentrate it where you need it. Just going to be underneath my chin, on the, the hollows of my cheeks, and a little bit on the sides of my nose. Nothing too crazy. And next, I'm going to be applying a little bit of color to the apples of my cheeks using another product from Maybelline New York. This is the Fit Me 45 Plum Blush. So just loading up my brush just a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the apples of my cheeks. It's such a beautiful color, and I feel like it's going to flatter anyone. It's a cool tone, so it's perfect for spring and fall. Next, I'm going to be adding a little bit of glow using L'Oreal Paris True Match LUMI Glow Nude Highlighter Palette. This one in particular is the 760 Moon Kissed, and I'm going to apply this shade right here using a fluffy brush and start to add that glow to my face. You're going to add a little bit of that to your temples, swing it around. And on my lips, I'm going to be using a product from Revlon. This one is the number 700 HD Sand. So it looks like this. It has a little bit of shimmer to it, but it's a nude color. So it's going to be so gorgeous and really easy to apply without even looking, right? It's kind of scary. Okay, so next up, the eyeshadows that I'm going to be using on my eyeballs are going to be from the Maybelline 24 Karat Nudes, and the palette looks like this. So first up, I'm going to go ahead and just use a flat shader brush, and I'm going to use this beautiful light, it's almost like a light mushroom color, and I'm going to apply that all over my lids. Next, I'm going to be taking a fluffier brush, and I'm going to go in with this beautiful, like, I don't know, it's like a smoky brown color, and I'm going to take that right into the corners of my eyes, just using like a swirly motion. I'm applying it and blending at the same time. So just right here in the outer corner. Keeping it really soft. And this is fail proof, you guys. This is going to be so easy for you to achieve on your own. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking a smaller, tighter brush. Open up. And I'm going to take that same brown color and go right underneath my eyes, just in the outer corner here. Just like that. It's kind of smoking it out a bit. Do the same to the other side, so just right under the lash line. And what we're going to do is we're going to join forces with that top eyeshadow, and it's going to start giving us that cat eye. It's going to be really, really beautiful when we add our liner and mascara. You're going to see this to start to come to life so much. So all I'm going to do is just take whatever I have left and move it and blend it towards the inner tear duct, but I'm not going to add any more product. So it's going to give it that nice transition instead of just stopping like skirt. You want it to continue. Next is L'Oreal Paris Infallible, the Super Slim Liquid Liner. So I'm going to get really close in, and what I'm going to try to do is keep this as flat as possible, and then I'm also going to bring it down into this corner, creating more of a cat shape. My eyes are naturally bubbly or round, so I'm changing the shape so much with all of these techniques. So I'm going to go ahead and start on the inner corner and just start dragging that inch by inch to my outer part of my eye. Just like that. Next up, I'm going to be adding a little bit of mascara, and this one is the Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline New York, and I'm just really going to concentrate on my top lashes. So you have to look, like really look like a crazy person. There we go. So as you guys can see, it opens my eyes up so much more. So now I have my veil on, and next up I'm going to be setting my face with some powder. I'm sure a lot of you guys were like, well, hold up, where's the powder at? I'm actually going to be using Burt's Bees Mattifying Powder Foundation, and this is made with bamboo, so I'm just going to use just a little bit of it because it's actually really, really great coverage. So I'm going to go ahead and pat this right underneath my eyes where I need the most control. So right under here, and right under this one. This is also going to help with creasing, making sure that your concealer stays intact. This is going to help to mattify your face as well. So any parts that you do not want too much shine, this is where you're going to be applying that foundation or that powder. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did. It actually came out a lot better than I thought, and I'm really excited that I'm actually going somewhere tonight so that I can wear this out and not just wash it off and, you know, go to sleep. I probably should put on some different pants because I'm wearing yoga pants down there. But anyhow, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. And also leave me your thoughts, comments, and requests in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!